Welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today is February 5th, 2025, and we're tackling Meta stock after a period of significant volatility. Recent news suggests a potential price target of $1,000 for Meta stock in the near future, but is this prediction supported by the charts? Let's start by examining the daily chart, zooming out to get a broader perspective of the recent price action. We see a significant upward trend in the Meta stock over the past few months, suggesting bullish momentum. However, there have also been periods of consolidation and minor pullbacks. Looking at the daily candles, we can see that volume has been particularly high during periods of significant price movements, further confirming the strength of the trend. Notice the recent price surge, which followed the release of positive news regarding Meta's earnings and AI investments. We can see clear support levels around the $400 mark and the $500 mark, which have recently been broken. Now, let's switch to the 1-hour chart and examine the recent price action in more detail. We'll focus on the past week's activity. Here we can see the consolidation which took place after the price broke above $600, followed by the dramatic price jump to over $700. The 1-hour candles reveal some key support and resistance levels. The price has found support around $680 and resistance near $700, which has recently been broken. Finally, let's take a look at the 15-minute chart to get an even closer view of the price action. We can narrow in on the most recent hours. Here, we can see small, short-term fluctuations which are consistent with the overall trend. Even on the smaller time frame, support and resistance are clearly visible. Based on the technical indicators from the 3 time frames and the recent news, it seems reasonable to suggest a bullish outlook for Meta in the short term. However, we must also consider the possibility of a short-term correction, given the recent rapid price increase. A pullback to the $680 to $690 range would not be entirely surprising. In the long term, the $1,000 target seems ambitious at the moment, but not outside the realm of possibility given the overall growth of the company. Continued positive news and sustained bullish momentum would significantly increase the likelihood of this occurring. Key price levels to watch: support around $680 to $690 on the 1-hour chart, $400 and $500 on the daily chart. Resistance near $710, which was recently broken. Things to look for: volume increases during price movements and any signs of a bullish or bearish divergence on the smaller timeframes. Any negative news could spark a short-term correction. Sustained buying pressure would solidify the bullish trend. Remember, this is just an analysis and the market can be unpredictable. Always conduct your own thorough research before making any trading decisions.